Hello and welcome to Insurance Mantra, your weekly guide to the world of insurance only on ET Now. In today's Leadership Insight, we focus on life insurance in rural and semi-urban India, where awareness is low, needs are different, and growth potential is huge. We'll discuss how customers in these markets buy insurance, the need for simple and customized product, the role of artificial intelligence and technology, and how physical distribution continues to matter in a digital-first world. We'll also touch upon insurance for all by 2047, commission reforms, and the challenges and opportunities in expanding life insurance space beyond cities. To share his insights, I'm joined by very special guest, Manoj Jain, Managing Director of Shriram Life Insurance. Thank you so much, Manoj sir,
Thank you,
for joining our Insurance Mantra show. It's a pleasure to have you with us today.
Thank you, Anurag. Thank you for giving this opportunity. It's a pleasure to be with you.
Okay. So to begin with, I will just ask you about your thoughts on the commission and distribution structure in life insurance industry, because now in last few days there are reports that IRDA is about to come up with a new regulation. Then in RBI has also mentioned in the FSR report about the distribution and commission cost in life insurance space. And recently RBI also said that some sort of new framework will come on. So what suggestions you have given to regulator, and according to you, how commission structure should change?
See, as you said rightly, insurance is a long-term product. As long as 30 years, 40 years, and even there are companies who are selling whole life product. And the agent is there to serve the customer for a longer term. So commission rationalization is always welcome. Currently, it's more upfronted. If it can be moved in a deferred way so that both agent, customer, and the company will have an alignment. I always say it's a golden triangle. As long as all the three stakeholders are taken care of it, the insurance company, the distributor, and the customer, it will always be a win-win solution to every one of them. So the Life Council has given a suggestion to have a deferment of the insurance commission, and let's see how regulator takes it. But as far as reduction is concerned, I don't think reduction is a solution, but deferment of the same commission.
Deferment means if in first year 30% is commission is given, then that 30% will be spread in second year and third year.
Exactly. So what we are talking about, so that what will happen is, as you know, insurance agent doesn't get any fixed income. If an agent is selling, say, 100 policies in the first year, 100 policies in the second year, 100 policies in the third year, if those policies continues for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, he will have a good retirement or a pension sort of income for him, which will be good for him, which will always keep him happy to keep the policy for a long term.
Okay. Policy for long term, so deferment of commission is a suggestion given by insurance industry. So now I'll shift focus to our topic of rural and semi-urban market, because for your company, more than 40% of business is through tier 3, tier 4. So how the market in the rural area and semi-urban area is different from tier 1 cities, metro cities, and what are the challenges and what are the opportunities?
As you know, we say Bharat lives in rural. So 70% of the Indian population are in rural India. But if you see the insurance penetration in rural India is just 6 or 7%. 6 and 7% of the insurable population has taken a life insurance or a general insurance, any product. Where there are enough challenges are there, I'll come that at the later stage. But say a company like us, why we are in insurance business, we are here to serve the common man. And the common man mostly lives in tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 town. They live in metro as well. If you see the challenges which are there in rural India is, one is the low penetration, as I said, but the potential is high. Second is the awareness of insurance. Third is, still in the rural India, people have not realized the importance of a life insurance, because they still believe that gold, land, or for that matter, they lived in a joint family. So they have never felt that life insurance is important. So the potential is there. The other important thing which I can put that as a challenge, in rural India, people don't have a fixed income. The income, like agriculturalist, he can't have a fixed income every month. So insurance industry also has to tweak the product to keep their income flow. So the IRDA has to support in designing those products which can suit to the rural India. Why we are doing, or every second policy with Shriram Life Insurance is selling in rural, if you see our branch network or our agent network, we always say that we are a tier 3, tier 4 town company. Most of our agent, most of our customer lives, and it is reflecting very clear in our average ticket size also. When the private sector average premium for a policy is ranging from 75,000 to 90,000. Ours is only
India?
No, in the across India. Ours is only 20,000. So it means that majority of our customers comes from lower middle class, and in that too, every second policy we sell is a rural policy. On number of policy wise also, if you see company like us are among the top 6 or 7.
Okay, sir, but when we talk about the servicing, so how in the rural market, use of technology, use of artificial intelligence, companies are using these tech-enabled platforms also. Are rural customers are comfortable with tech servicing?
That's a big myth. At the time of COVID, I think every rural India person has used the phone. You know, the penetration of a smartphone in rural India is as high as 90.
No, now I'm talking about the artificial intelligence.
Exactly. So I'm coming to it, but who is selling the product? The agent is selling the product. And the company like us, selling, like India is what, 600 districts and close to around 5 lakh blazes. In a state like, say, Bihar or Jharkhand or Madhya Pradesh or Chhattisgarh, we are present virtually in every town. Through our digital mode, we have an app called Astra. Earlier, used to take 1 or 2 days time to log in a policy. Now it is happening just in 7 minutes time. It's customer friendly, it's agent friendly, and technology adoption.
And AI is helping both customers and companies.
It is not even helping in sourcing a new business. It is even helping in settling the claims. It is helping in even we run a propensity model that in which pin code or which town or which place the customer can pay the premium regularly. This is really helping, and the adaptation of that is phenomenal.
Adaptation. So now I'll move on to our rapid fire segment. So you have to answer spontaneously of all my questions. So I'm starting. My first question is life insurance in India still sold more than it considerably bought?
It is always sold. We have to go a long way when the customer will buy it.
Okay. Is rural India the single biggest growth opportunity for life insurance industry?
Yes, because the population is as high as 70%. So then definitely there's an opportunity.
What is the biggest barrier to the life insurance penetration in rural Bharat?
Awareness and the trust deficit.
So do low ticket simple policies work better than complex product in rural market?
Simple product is always better.
Are current life insurance product designed well enough for informal and gig economy workers?
No, I think insurance industry has to work on that.
As a CEO, what is the one metric you personally track most closely?
I always see how many policies are remaining in the book, how is my claim settlement, how largely my customer is happy.
Which matters more in rural insurance, affordability or awareness?
Awareness first, affordability second.
One IRDA reform that has genuinely helped insurers to go deeper into rural market.
IRD has allotted the states to various insurance companies, where the insurance companies are closely working with the state governments to have more rural penetration.
Sabka Bima, Sabki Raksha, how meaningful is this reform for the rural and semi-urban India?
It's really a good slogan, and it's aligned with the Vision 2047 of our Prime Minister Modi, Insurance for All.
Should underwriting norms be more flexible for customer with irregular incomes?
Definitely.
Important is local language, on-ground presence in building insurance trust in Bharat? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Do customers in cities like Indore think differently about life insurance compared to metros?
Definitely, Indore is not a small town, but definitely people like in a place like Katni or Jabalpur or a smaller town than that, people think differently because they have really not seen the importance of insurance.
Okay. One simple piece of life insurance advice for a first-time buyer from rural or small-town India.
As soon as he starts earning, he should buy one insurance policy.
As initially buy insurance policy first, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Before I let you go, sir, what would be your insurance mantra for our viewers?
The insurance mantra, insurance is there when you are not there. That will take care of your family, your well-wishers, and your dear ones. So I request everyone to buy an insurance policy and encourage people to buy more.
Encourage people to buy more. Thank you so much, sir, for joining our Insurance Mantra show, coming to our studio.
Thank you.
So time for a short break now. After the break, in our Expert Speaks segment, I'll be joined by Mukesh Gupta, former Managing Director of LIC. Stay tuned.